Hi, everyone. I'm teacher Kimberly, and welcome again to Beginner Procreate, the Flex class. So let's get started with creating our first artwork. I've created two videos for this project. And the reason why I created videos is because the first video, I need to share with you where everything is located in Procreate. Well, not everything, but the majority of the tools that we'll be using today, like your brush tool, your eraser, how to make new layers. I'm going to share that with you today. And then in the second video, we'll create our artwork. And the artwork that we're going to create is what you see on the screen right now. All right, so let's get started. What I would like you to do is get out your iPad, your tablet, and let's start. So this is your Procreate app. As you can see, it's just a little icon with a little brush stroke, just like that. Okay, go ahead and click on that and it will take you into your Procreate Gallery. So as we start to create different types of artwork and fill our gallery with all sorts of items, this gallery will fill up with all your work. Right now, you may not have that many artworks, or you may just have a few of the templates that were already preloaded onto your gallery. This is completely fine. Don't worry, by the end of this class, we'll have a bunch of artwork filled in your Procreate gallery. Okay, so that little plus sign over in the corner there, that's how you create a new canvas. A canvas is where we do all of our drawing, our painting, all that fun stuff. So when you click on that button, it's going to create a new canvas for you. And you get to choose different sizes. For example, we will be working mostly in the paper size canvas, okay? And that canvas is just a standard size piece of paper. And we'll use that so that you can print off your artworks at any time. We'll also use different size canvases, but for this class and this project, we're going to use a paper size. So once you choose your new canvas, it will open up like this. So your canvas can rotate. All right. So what you can do is when you squeeze your fingers together, it makes the image smaller, your canvas smaller. And when you bring your fingers out like that, it increases the size. You can also rotate your canvas any way that you would like by using two fingers and just turning your fingers on the screen at the same time. Remember, if you need to make your image larger, you just expand your fingers. So open up those two fingers while you're touching the canvas. If you need to make your canvas smaller, pinch in your fingers like this while you're touching the screen. If you need to rotate, just turn it around like that to however you like it. Okay? All right. So this little icon at the top is your color wheel. It may be a different color for you, but if you click on that little circle, it will pop up the color wheel. So this outer ring right here, that's where you choose your color. You can choose red, you can choose green, you can choose blue. The inner wheel, it will darken your color or lighten your color. And you can notice that it will make that change by looking at that little circle at the top we press to get the color wheel. To get out of the color, just click anywhere else on the screen. The two squares next to your color wheel is your layers menu. That's how you create a new layer. When you click on it, this menu will pop up, and when you tap the plus sign, it will create a new layer for you. I'll show you what that's all about in our art project. Next to the layers menu is your erase tool. When you click on it the first time, it will just change to the erase tool. When you click on it again, a brush library will come up and you'll be able to choose different brushes for your erase tool. So you can match your painting tool. And I'll explain what that's all about in our art project. The tool next to that is your smudge tool. It's that little finger that's pointing down. When you click on it the first time, it just changes into a smudge brush. When you click on it again, your brush library comes up and you can choose what type of brush you would like to use for your smudge tool. This is how we blend our colors. The next tool next to it is your painting tool or your actual brush. When you click on it the first time, it just goes to whatever brush you would like to choose. When you click on that brush icon again, your brush library comes up. All right. So remember, you click on any of these three items the first time, your eraser, your smudge, or your brush tool, it just changes over to those items. When you click on it again, it will show your brush library. So let's say you want your brush size to be small or large. All you do is go over there and you'll see this little scroll bar. When you lower that scroll bar, it will decrease the size of your brush. When you raise that scroll bar, it will increase the size of your brush. Go ahead and play around with it. You can make small marks or large marks. Next to your gallery, which is over on the left side of your screen, you'll have a little wrench tool. That little wrench bar, when you tap on it, brings up your actions menu and also a few other things. We use this menu to share our artwork with each other, and I'll show you what that's about as we continue on in the class. All right, so that is all the items that I wanted to share with you about some of the tools that we'll be using. So as we go through it, when I say pull out your brush tool, click the brush icon. When I say let's change our brush to a different brush, you're going to click on it again until your brush library comes up. If I say decrease the size of your brush, you're going to go over to that little scroll bar and decrease it or increase it. And I'll show you as we go along. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to go to the next video so we can create our artwork. See you there. Bye.